So I've got this camera working now with this CRT, and I've just extracted this Outrun AGA, and we're going to have a go at it. HD load Outrun arcade.slave. We're going to do preload as well. Taking its time. Yeah, I was trying to update online and we didn't have a connection, so we started. So yeah, looks really good. Really responsive. That's the gearbox, and where's my speed? Oh, there's brakes. So Z is acceleration, X is brakes, and a bit of change gears. It's Amiga. So Alt, I think, is the low gear. High gear? No, shift. But looks great. Yeah. Yeah, the speed's incredible. Yeah. So, settings, frames per second. Let's try 30. Controls. So this monitor here is actually a mono monitor. It's the 1084 straight, and I found that it's basically, if I remove this, you get a mono sound out of your Amiga. I'm not sure if it happens in the 500, but this is only a mono monitor, We've got both plugged in. It won't mix both channels into one. So just the left in, it seems to mix it all. Let us play again. Passing breeze. Buswave? Alright. Damn. Well, we're going to stop it there.